In this video, I am going to show you how to create QR code for Facebook page. So first of all, open up your Facebook application and make sure that you're logged into your Facebook page. You should keep this in mind that your Facebook page is different from your Facebook account. So if you want to switch between your Facebook account and your Facebook page, you have to tap on the menu which is present at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now at the top of your screen, you will see the name of your page. So you very simply have to tap on the switch bar if you're on your account. By doing this, you will be able to switch between your Facebook account and your Facebook page. So now I'm on my Facebook page, and if I want to create a QR code for it, I will simply tap on my profile icon which is present at the top left side of your screen. Now from here, you have to tap on the three dots which are present right besides advertise. From here, you have to scroll down and tap on your page link. By doing this, you will be able to easily copy your page link of Facebook. So once you're done, you have to close your Facebook application and open up your Safari or Google Chrome. On your Google Chrome, you very simply have to search for QR code generator. Once you search for it, you have to tap on the first website which says online QR generator. This is a free website which will allow you to create QR codes for free. So once you tap on it, you have to wait for a couple of seconds for it to load. Now on the website, you very simply have to tap on the first option which says website link to any website URL. Once you do that, now you have to paste your Facebook page link on the very first option. So I will paste my link that I just copied from Facebook application, then tap on next. Now the website will ask you whether you want to add a frame to your QR code, change its pattern, or create corners for your QR code. But I will simply skip all of this and tap on create. Once you tap on create, it may take a few while depending on your Wi-Fi or 4G connection. So once you're done, you very simply have to enter your email or simply tap on continue with Google to use your Google account to create an account on this website, as an account is needed for you to receive your QR code. So I will simply tap on continue with Google, then select my Google account. Now from here, just select your Google account. Tap on continue. Now as you can see, your QR code is ready. So you can very easily take a screenshot of this QR code and then proceed to use it as much as you want. But if you don't want to take the screenshot and want to use the QR code through a PDF file, then by now you should have been received an email from the website. As you can see, I have received this email from the website, and by tapping on download QR code, I can easily download the QR code from the Google application once again. So everyone, now simply tap on download, then select the format under which you want to have your QR code. So for example, I want a PDF. I will simply select PDF, then tap on download. So as you can see, my QR code was just saved. So that's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.